In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly submit expenses on Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your expenses, how to review the details that matter, and how to submit them confidently for approval and reimbursement. Start by opening Expensify and heading to the home screen. From there, look to the left-hand navigation and open the Reports section. This is your hub for everything related to expense reports, but before you submit, you'll want to verify your individual expenses. To do that, switch into the Expenses area. This view shows all of your captured or imported expenses in one place, sorted by date so you can quickly locate recent items. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to narrow it down. Search by merchant, amount, or a keyword you typed in the description. If you're not sure of the details, use filters instead. Filtering by date, range, status, or policy helps you focus on just the expenses you plan to submit right now, keeping things clean and accurate. Once you spot the expense you need, click into it to open the full detail. Start with the receipt image. Make sure it's clear, readable, and matches the purchase. Date, total, and merchant name should be visible. If something is blurry or cut off, reattach a better image so it won't get flagged later. Next, confirm the amount. It should reflect the total you're claiming, including tax if your policy requires it. If the currency is different from your default, verify that the conversion looks correct. Move to the description and make it specific and useful. For example, note the purpose of the purchase or the meeting it supports so your approver has immediate context. Check the merchant field and ensure the vendor name is spelled correctly and matches the receipt. Look at the reimbursable setting. Toggle this on if you paid out of pocket and need repayment, or leave it off if the purchase was made with a company card. Finally, assign the expense to the appropriate report. Choose the active report you're submitting now so everything lands in one place for review. If you already have a monthly or trip-specific report, select that. When everything looks good, click Submit. If the button isn't available, scan for any required fields you may have missed. After submitting, you'll see the expense move into the approval workflow, and you can track its status from the report section. That's it, clean, complete, and ready for approval. Thanks for watching and happy expensing.